Welcome to day 14 of our 100-day manifestation challenge. Today we'll focus on reprogramming your mindset around money. Find a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body relax and your mind become present. Let's begin by acknowledging any limiting beliefs you may hold about money. Ask yourself, what beliefs do I have about money? Do you believe it's hard to earn, that it's scarce, or that wealth is only for others? Recognize these thoughts without judgment. Now, imagine releasing these limiting beliefs. Visualize them as dark clouds floating away from you. Feel the lightness as you let go of any negative thoughts about money. You are no longer tied to these old patterns. It's time to reprogram your mindset with empowering beliefs. Repeat these affirmations either silently or out loud. I am worthy of financial abundance. Money flows easily and effortlessly into my life. I attract wealth and success in everything I do. My mind is programmed for financial freedom and prosperity. I release all scarcity and embrace abundance. Now, let's visualize your new reality. Picture yourself living in a world of abundance. See money flowing into your life with ease through your career, investments, or other opportunities. Feel the joy and gratitude of having financial freedom. Imagine the freedom and possibilities that come with it. Let's align your actions with your new money mindset. See yourself taking inspired actions toward financial success. Whether it's investing, saving, or taking steps to earn more, visualize yourself making wise financial decisions. Trust that every action you take is bringing you closer to wealth and abundance. Take a moment to express gratitude for the money you already have. No matter how much or how little, being grateful for what you have opens the door for more. Thank the universe for providing you with the resources you need. Feel gratitude for your growing financial success. Trust that your mind is now reprogrammed for wealth. You've let go of old beliefs, and you're ready to embrace the abundance that's waiting for you. Know that financial success is already on its way. Take another deep breath in and slowly exhale. Bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the ground beneath you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Remember, you are in control of your money mindset, and wealth is yours to claim. Thank you for joining today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 15 of our journey to manifesting abundance.